Hello everybody, it's time to address what's going on inside the 360. I was in here the other day and I noticed that this was pomegranate skins. It was taking a long time for them to go through this, so I thought I would give them some more food. The bedding is not the moistest it could be, and I think a lot of worms, even though there's some on the surface here that you can see, they're not really thriving in this top layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bulk it up. There's some more worms. So they are eating this, it just takes them a long time. So what I'm going to do, I've got some pre-moistened shredded cardboard. I'm going to give them a good amount on the base here, on the top I mean. And it does contain a lot of moisture, so I'm hoping that will give them a lot better environment to start producing more and more. So out of the freezer I've got cabbage. And frozen cabbage shouldn't take long. A piece like this I think will take a little bit longer, but the other stuff should go pretty good. I forgot to bring coffee, some spent coffee to add to the feeding, so I'll just give them a generous amount of the expired Italian breadcrumbs. And I will cover the feeding up with this wet shredded cardboard and a bit of water. So this extra bedding I think will help bring the volume up. It'll give them more food to eat, and it should entice more and more worms to come up here from the lower levels, and hopefully a happy environment that we will approach what's in that blue bin. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and we will see how this new setup goes on the next video. Bye for now.